How to remove extra space between the word in Microsoft Word applications. So in this video tutorial I'm going to show the perfect and simple way. So let's start with the video, guys. And at the end, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. Let me start with the video. Okay guys, so here we are. This is my Microsoft Word application, and you can see I have one paragraph with unwanted space. So I will show you how you can remove it. So what you need to do, just select that all paragraphs and hit the Control plus H. It will be take you the replace. You can replace the replace window. Here you can replace word. Okay, but here we need to use another option like another word like. Just first hit the Shift plus 6. Okay, just use Shift plus 6. Then this mark will be visible. Now enter the W, and here you need to just give the one space. Okay, just hit the one space. Now just click replace all. Now you can see all the unwanted spacing has gone. So I will show you, repeat it again, so you will get clear idea again. So what you need to do, just what you need to do, just select the all text like this, hit the Control plus H. Okay, in the replace section we need to hit Shift plus 6, then hit the W, and here we need to give only one space and just replace all. Then unwanted spacing will be gone. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.